How to use Typeform tutorial step by step. Hey guys, welcome back to YouTube channel. In this video I am going to showing you how to use Typeform, so let's get into now. The first thing that you are going to do is you are going to go to on typeform.com and then you are just going to click on sign up over here, and from there you can go sign up for free for Typeform. So it does not require any credit card or anything at all. So what you are just going to do is you can enter your email or password and then you have to agree to their terms and service and conditions, so you can good to sign up. Or you can also sign up with your Google account as well. So I'm just going to sign up with my Google account over here. So once you do that, this is going to be your page once you sign up. So you are just going to click on get set up and then you are going to enter your name over here, and I'm just going to press enter. You are going to add your last name and then you are going to add what kind of services you are going to be requiring from Typeform according to your use. So let's say I just want this for personal use and I'm just going to click on OK, and then main activity you want to do using Typeform. So let's say maybe I just want to conduct research, so I'm just going to click on OK, and then you are going to add how you would discover Typeform. So after that you are just going to click on let's do this, and then you can get started with Typeform. So Typeform has this template gallery that they will present you with. You don't want to take a look at the templates right off the bat, you can just close this from here, and this is going to be your basic workspace. So you can see you have your basic workspace over here, and then you can connect to different applications on the left side over here, and then also you have your help and inspiration section, and then on your right you have your private section as well. So you can just click on add workspace and then you can create different workspace. So you can name one for school and then you can add all of your schoolwork over there. So I have a private workspace called school, and then within a school workspace what I can do is I can click on create Typeform from here, and then I can start from scratch and create my survey or feedback or whatever kind of poll I want to create. So let's say maybe I want to create a simple little poll, and I'm going to click on poll over here, and I can just create a poll using this poll template, or I can also start from scratch. But I'm just going to create a poll for like a school study, and I can just use this political poll template. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to enter the questions I want to add. So I'm just going to click on use this template, and I am just going to use the template and customize it now. You know, this is how simple and easy it is to create all of your surveys with Typeform and to make them interactive as well. So the first thing I'm going to do is I am going to name my poll. I'm just going to name it gender studies, and I am just creating a poll. So you can create a research service request from a registration from a checklist application from a lead generation form, whatever you might want to. But I'm just going to create a simple form, and I'm just going to click on over here, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to add the questions. So you can see that this is what the basic pool is going to look like. So I'm just going to delete this section and I'm going to edit the text over here. So this is going to be, and I want this to be gender studies, so whatever text you want. So I'm just gonna add this biological to gender, and I'm gonna add take poll and enter. Now I'm gonna go to the multiple choice question. So what I'm gonna to do is I'm gonna go into my basic section over here. I want this to be multiple choice, and I'm going to add one choice. The first question is going to be what is your gender. So I have added my second question over here. And how you add questions is that like I have added this question as scaling question, but what you are just going to do is you are going to click on left over here, this is plus icon, and then you are going to just add your new question, and then you can select what kind of question you want. So let's say I just want another multiple choice question, and then I'm going to input my question over here. So let's say I want to add a question called do you play sports. So you can add thank you for filling out your survey, or you can add any other text at the endings, and you can just click on this over here, and then they can create their own Typeform as well. You can add your social media links, you can add a button, you can remove to create a Typeform button as well, and you can remove these icons as well. But I like to add like social media icons usually now with the design of your Typeform survey or poll or whatever you are looking to create. You can just go on over here and into the design section, and then you can add a theme to your questionnaire. So you can go into your gallery, change the color, you can change the look of your questionnaire if you want. Some premium templates available and some free templates available on Typeform as well for you to pick out from. So you can apply like a very cohesive theme on your entire little questionnaire. So you can see that then you can go into your logic section and see the logic of all your questions. And if you are looking to create even complex research paper studies, you can easily go into the logic section and have them really simplified and help you better understand your own questionnaire. Now after you create section, you have connect section as well. So if you click on connect over here, you can share your Typeform with multiple people. Once you publish your Typeform, you can connect it with some interrogation as well. So if you have Slack, Google and Analytics, Google Drive, HubSpot, if you want to connect this with any other third-party application, you can do that as well. Now with your sharing option, you can also have a link sharing, which is the most commonly used. So you can click on publish over here your little Typeform, and then you get a copy link, so you can just share this with people. And then if you go on to your share section over here on your top as well, you can just share this with a embedded or full of web page. If you want to pop up a side tab and pop over a slide bar, so however you want your Typeform to appear, or you can also launch an email to promote or share your Typeform. And then you have your results sections, where you are going to able to see the results that you get from your audience. So you are gonna have your insight summary and responses, and you have your basic analytics in your insights. You can view the device that people are answering from. You can see when people have answered this most frequently, and then you can find more details if you are subscribed to their premium version for more data analytics. So this is how easy it is to create your Typeform. Now once you have a hang of it, you can create so many different kinds of forms, and it's pretty simple and easy. It is really elevates your forms rather than just creating something like a Google document or something like, you know, the basic kind of Google Docs that everyone fills. Those are the very simple, and this is really elevates your work to the next level, or your school work, or even just your private business to a better level. So as a lovely as Typeform is, it is not available just for free. So they do have a free version, don't worry about that. You can create simple forms like I just did on their free version, but there is a limitation to Typeform. So you do have to subscribe to a premium version eventually when you are using Typeform. So they start at 25, where you can get 100 response per month on one user, unlimited Typeforms and unlimited questions. And then on the plus version, you have 50 USD per month. If you build yearly, then you can generate or record over 1,000 responses per month with over 3 users. And you can also remove the Typeform branding and have a custom subdomain. And on the business version, starting at 383, you can get 10,000 responses. So it's not like you get 10,000 responses by getting responses. I mean that you are gonna be able to record many responses. So on my free version of the Typeform, even if I get 10,000 responses, I am only going to be able to collect data of over 100, and then Typeform is no longer going to collect the data because it is free version. And then on your business version, you can collect over 10,000 responses with 5 users and drop off dates as well. And you also have conversation tracking and priority support and live chat. So it's a great forum, especially if you are like a PhD student and you are constantly conducting research. Then I do think that subscribing to their basic or plus version is definitely worth it. If you are going to doing like marketing and research and your job depends on it, then go for the business version. But if you are a student, go for the plus version or basic version. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful and you are now able to use Typeform as a beginner and create your own custom forms. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.